We're on.
Back here in Raleigh, North Carolina for the 2019 U.S. AFL Eastern Regional Championships. Second half of this middle women's game between the New York Magpies and the Columbus Cats. Magpies leading 26-2 here as we travel on in this second half. I'm Brian Barish. The Magpies are now headed from right to left as Amy Arundel was taken down. It'll be a free kick, and it will go the way of Amy Arundel, who was taken on. Fairbanks, Alaska native. Started with the Philadelphia Hawks, moved to New York, playing for the Magpies. Goes through the hands there. Al goes in with a long handball looking for Bull, but ends up getting it back off the bounce. Sends that one out into the cow paddock. And there was Kylie Johnson, whose name we're calling for the first time. From Northern Virginia, his sister Ryan plays for Seattle. This is Bull. Bull sending that one for goal, and that is a Bull goal. First for Jenny Bull, and they go to 5-2-32. They lead by 30 points over the Cats, 2 behind. All right, and that's actually Jeannie Green. I'm sorry. So they had a player named Johnny Bull, but it is Jeannie Green. So Jeannie Green kicks that goal. That's what happens when they only gave me the first names and I only know some of the players. So sorry about that, Jeannie. Jeannie Green kicks the goal. We are back in the middle again. Ball goes to ground. Now the Magpies lead by 30 points. One-on-one contest. And here they come again. Hemingway. Kim almost had her fourth. 5-3-33. And now they're doing, I forget who did that song. It's not LMFAO, it's somebody else. But anyway, it is 33-2. As they were singing, you know the song, shot, 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 well, they're able to keep them in one more time. So now the Magpies on the front foot here. They're putting the pressure on. That one dribbles through. Clean bowls a player there in green over to get it. And then Terse able to get it free. Arundel couldn't get to it. It comes free. Whoa! Nat Wolf off of 1 foot. That's her second. New York 6-3-39. Columbus 2 behind. 3 minutes gone, second term. Natalie Wolf, as we mentioned, she was a basketball player. She began playing in 2016, I believe. And originally from Cleveland, and she played really well for the Freedom as a defender in the scheme of Lee Barnes, the head coach, and generally played defensively, took a lot of good strong marks over the top, was injured, did not play in the final game. Smith pops that one up high in the air. Now back in the middle, sticking her foot in there was Elias. And running through like a house on fire is Janie Green. Green will kick that one inside. Janie Green all the way to the house. Janie Green has her second. And the Magpies are pouring it on. 7-3-45, New York, 2 behind. And I'm hearing Christina Licata over there saying that they want 20 more shots on goal. Well, I guess we're kind of in the USA-Thailand situation a little bit. It's clearly a team that's better here, but in the sense that they're trying to, the percentage does help in case it comes down to a draw. But at the same time, you also want players to go and get their opportunities while they can in the forward line. Just take it straight to them. Out in the middle of the ground, this is Arundel, and it's picked up by Lindsay Terse, who for my money has been best on ground for this Columbus side. One-on-one contest, slapped away by, looked like by McCullough, and then there it goes all the way to the goal running in, and Wolf doesn't concede the behind. She instead clears it out to the far side, and that was a pretty good idea, but it's kept in. This is Ronconcio, sends that one in out of the glove of McKittrick, who goes in on Wolf, and then here's Taylor Davidson, who lost the footy, and kept in by Aislinn Grieg. Grieg will kick that one on the right, but it's marked, and here comes New York. Green finds McLeod. Middle of the ground now, bops in front of Wolf. Wolf will take her time. Gets around Conley, kicks that one up the far side now. One-on-one contest. And Hemingway wins that one over Shipley Snyder. Hemingway, who has 3 goals to her name so far. Boots that one down. Skips through and across. Still in play. And still in play. Tilly Martin is over there, number 27. She is held up, stood up. This is Gartner, dropped the middle, able to get a kick away. Sends that one forward, and Gartner has it. She sends that one into the middle of the ground. A clean goal, but right to McCullough.